Almost every single car buyer in the Indian market wants to further spice up his or her four-wheel set, and that's why Maruti has been concentrating a lot on the official accessories that we have shown you in the past of new models, and the Swift is no different. Now this one is aptly called as the Racing Roadster, and the tag goes well with the whole theme of the Swift as well. Swift has been known always for a sporty nature, and the new one, well, that is a different video on our channel. Now this is currently on the top spec Z or the Z Plus variant. It can be used for under 40,000 rupees. Official add-ons from Maruti, so you can add these into your final pricing as well for your loan or your EMIs. That is a plus point, and the quality of panels, the add-ons are much better than what you can purchase from the aftermarket shops around your area. What all do you get? Well, the base is the red color. Around over here we have a couple of more red standing in the backdrop, which the ones we drove for our channel. We have a shade of blue as well standing right over there. This is based on the red theme, and as you can make out, first and foremost is the sort of racing strips or the sticker work done on the bonnet, the hood, as well as on the roof as well. So this is the first thing that will catch your eye, and it's the Swift, so that same moniker comes in on the sticker work. This is the carbon finish which we can see on the inside at a later stage. What is next? You come to the lower part of the bumper. These are two extensions, a combination of white and black you'll see across the body, and you can have this no matter what color Swift you're buying. This is pretty cool, runs across the width of the bumper, and if you come closely, there are something known as the racing lines on the inside. No aerodynamics effect on this one. It's more of a showcase and to have a sportier angle to the already sporty looking Swift, in my opinion. Side profile already comes with good looking alloy wheels. You have garnish going over the wheels. The wheel arcs have this kit, again a combination of black and white, and the same thing comes on the side profile. You have the side skirt and the garnishing on the door. So black and white is the theme carried over here from Maruti. Few more things I told you about the carbon fiber finish. The same thing can be seen on the outside mirror. This is not a mere sticker job, it's a proper panel coming on the top of the outside rear mirror. And of course you have your indicator assembly, which is standard in the top models. Come to the side, you also have your rain visors, which have a chrome add-on. All the four doors get the rain visors. Very useful when the weather is nice. You can pull down the windows and enjoy breeze, or when it's rain you can pull down the windows without rain coming on in the inside of the car. Towards this part, again on the wheel arcs you have a combination of black and white, and the same can be seen on the rear bumper as well. We saw on the front part the single part on the rear extension with these nice sporty lower add-ons as well. On the upper part, of course, you have a spoiler. This is something most hatchback owners like to invest into for the aesthetics, and again a dual combination of white and black. If you can make out, the sticker work comes till the back of the roof, and of course you also have this antenna as standard on the rear of the Swift. Interesting element to break the whiteness over here, you have across the width of the car another extension. It's a plastic extension, fits in pretty well, runs from the side of the tail lamps across the width to give it more weight on the back side. This is on the outside, but the interiors of any car are your second home. Is there any change? Well, let's step inside. Now, this is the stock key fob in the Swift Z and Z Plus versions, but with the kit you can also get the cover for one of the key fobs. Looks pretty cool. A combination of, again, the carbon fiber and the red, and of course the Nexa blue or the Maruti blue you can see on the inside. You can purchase for the second as well at a slight extra cost. What you can also purchase in your Swift is a very good safety device. Dash cams are very popular nowadays, and Maruti sells this as well. A proper DVR setup, useful in the case of an accident or to prove who was right or who was wrong. You can have this in your Swift no matter what. If you're not purchasing the kit as well, you can have this as a safety device. With the kit, the seat covers are standard. They are an extra fitment, and the theme is completely black, grey and red. I think this thing gives you more sense of airiness and won't make your back sweat so easily. It's a good touch. On the inside, on the dashboard, again the same theme of red and carbon fiber finish. You can see this on the door pads as well. All the four door pads have the same theme coming in. It's not overly done. I think it gels in pretty well with the whole new color combination of the Swift. What else? Well, if you want to pamper your family, you can also purchase these soft neck pillows up front over here, and these are also at the back. Again, the sportiness with the black and red theme coming in over here. With the kit, you also get these 3D mats across the car at the front as well as at the back. These are standard with the kit, and of course illumination for the scuff plates you see on the sills over here. So that pretty much wraps up the whole package. If you're purchasing the Swift from Maruti, you can invest into these accessories with a peace of mind factor, with the quality and the pricing under 40k for the kit on the outside and the kit on the inside. There is one more extra add-on you can purchase for your better upkeep of your car in the long run. What is that? Well, that's in the boot. Now, usually after a few months of ownership, your boot looks like a messed up place, but with the organizer, you can purchase this officially from the showroom level. It looks pretty cool. It's pretty big as well. So for your upkeep of the car or any other bottles you want to keep or stuff you want to keep in the boot, this is a sorted place. Also, suppose you're going for your grocery shopping, you can have that in this. Come to your house, pick it up, and go to your house. So pretty useful to even carry your shopping bags or your grocery items. A few more things, if you're investing into a V or a L version of the Swift, you can purchase this proper looking Z variant camera and the whole assembly from the showroom as an officially add-on accessory. And we are told with the new Swift, the angle of the camera is much better. And before I wrap up, a very good safety add-on. Because you're purchasing the kit, you're getting aftermarket seat covers, and that will not hamper the 6 airbag setup. Remember, every single version of the Swift offers you 6 airbags. So even with these seat covers, you can see these are airbag compatible. Very, very important. If you have a car that's got 6 airbags, the side curtain airbags, whenever you put seat covers, remember and keep this in mind. So there you go. This is the official Racing Roadster kit from Maruti Suzuki. You can have this on the Z, the V and the L versions. For the prices of the Z and L, they are currently in the description section below. Apart from that, we took the efficient Swift for a 130km efficiency run, and the final figure will definitely shock you. The link is currently on the screen as well as in the description section below. Do have a look.